All right. Well, I got to tell you, beautiful conditions out there this evening. Now that the wind has ceased, and taking a look at this little bright spot in the sky, looks like a star. That is a Venus. It'll be setting here within the half hour before the close of our program. Get out and look off to the west. You'll see that 22 degrees out there right now, and only a 7-mile-per-hour wind. It's cool, it's crisp, and it's cooler up along the Highway 2 corridor. Grand Forks 17. That's the same reading we have this hour in Thief River Falls. A lot of 20s down to the south as we take a look at those wind speeds. Most locations, in fact, all locations under 10 miles per hour, many under 5 miles per hour. And that's a big change from these readings today. We had gusts over 50 miles per hour soaring through the Highway 200 corridor here into the Fargo-Moorhead area and on into Fergus Falls, where numerous 50-plus reports occurred today. We have clear skies for now. Clear skies cool off fairly quickly. So here in the valley and points east, a good shot at that cooling trend continuing into the early overnight. But we do have some clouds pushing in to the central Dakotas right now. Stormy weather over the Great Lakes. Up to the north, we have, well, cold air, cold enough for some snowflakes out there towards Green Bay. But this a spiraling storm system drawing on some warmer air from the south. That's mixing in. So some are getting rain from that system. Here's your forecast for tonight. As we head to bed, the wind stays quiet. And again, here in the valley and points east, we'll have temperatures cooling fairly quickly. Some in central Minnesota will have a shot at dipping down briefly into those single digits. The wind stays quiet first thing in the morning. So as you're heading out the door on your way to work or on your way to school, expect temperatures to be in the teens for most. A couple of single digit readings out to the far east and out to the west, thanks to those clouds moving in. You'll be closer to 20 degrees. By the midday hour, we'll notice the winds returning, but this time they'll be from the south. Temperatures will be climbing. We'll see sunny skies. And the winds in the afternoon will once again be robust, to say the least. We'll have gusts 25 to 35 miles per hour for many, and a few could see gusts to 40. I do not anticipate 55-mile-per-hour gusts for your Friday, but temperatures will be going in the right direction. Many of us in the 30s for our afternoon. And some sunshine as well, although the wind lasts into the evening after sunset. It should taper off once again, much like today. Here is a look at your planning forecast in the morning in Fargo. 15 degrees, rising into the 20s by late morning. Going through the midday hour and the early afternoon, we'll see the 30s returning. Those winds will be gusting over 30 miles per hour. That lasts into the early evening, and temperatures will stabilize in the lower 30s for most of your Friday night plans. Late in the evening, those winds will be much like tonight, very quiet. The warmest weather tomorrow from Fargo-Moorhead through the Southern Valley and into southeast North Dakota. Along the South Dakota border, there'll be a shot at a few 40-degree readings. Everybody, though, in the 30s as we enjoy a gorgeous close to the work week. Speaking of gorgeous weather, this photo here is not from North Dakota. This is a beach in Venice, Florida at sunset. Look at the water there crashing. Yeah, Barb's sending us a little something to sigh at, but I have something for you to take a look at. As we look at this 7-day planner, first and foremost, we'll go into Saturday with a lot of sunshine, a lot less wind, and a temperature peaking of 44 degrees. We'll stay near 40 degrees on Sunday. Do not forget, Saturday night, that's the night we spring the clocks forward 1 hour. Again, after a couple days in the 40s or near 40, Monday looks a little cooler, Andrea, and then it's climbing back up that ladder, back into the upper 30s to 40s to close the week, and not much from those precipitation chances. They do not look heavy here, nor do they look to impact the valley's flood concerns very much at all.
Okay, thanks, Seth.
You bet.
Later.